Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy without a cotton candy machine. First, gather your simple ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of light corn syrup. This method relies on creating a superheated sugar syrup and then quickly stretching it into fine threads. It's a fun and surprisingly effective way to enjoy this classic treat right in your own kitchen, using tools you likely already have on hand. Get ready for some sweet, sticky fun. To begin, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of light corn syrup in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir this mixture gently over medium heat until all the sugar has completely dissolved. It's important to stop stirring once the syrup starts to boil, as continued agitation can cause the sugar to crystallize. Now, attach a candy thermometer to the side of your pan, making sure its tip doesn't touch the bottom. Keep cooking the syrup without any further stirring until your candy thermometer registers exactly 320 degrees Fahrenheit. This specific temperature is absolutely crucial for creating the right consistency needed for cotton candy. As soon as it hits 320 degrees Fahrenheit, promptly remove the pan from the heat. Let the syrup cool down for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. It needs to thicken slightly, but remain pourable for the next step. Now for the fun part. Dip a whisk or a fork into the slightly cooled syrup. Quickly flick your wrist, moving the whisk back and forth over 2 wooden dowels or chopsticks held a few inches apart. You'll see fine sugar threads begin to form. Collect these delicate strands on your dowels, rotating them to build up your cotton candy. Continue dipping and flicking until you have a fluffy, sweet cloud. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.